So I just pulled up to BCM, got a couple things I got to get done on the RS today. Big fuel leak on my filler neck. It's been happening since I bought the car. It just dumps fuel every time I go to fill up at the tank, and I just been too lazy to fix it, and most of the time I was in Jersey and it's cold, everything's rusty, so I wanted to take my time. I got all the parts now, so we're going to do that. We're going to also change the steering rack bushings to white line, and possibly roll the rear fenders to solve my rubbing because I don't really want to raise the ride height. So let's get to it. So this is the monster that we're changing today. Mine is all rusted out from living up life in Jersey or wherever it came from. It's rusted out here, so I'm guessing that's roughly where my fuel leak is at, and it just dumps fluid the second I start pouring in from the tank. So, filling seat on this. The OEM one from Subaru, for some reason, comes not coated, doesn't have any of these extra hard lines, any of these extra hosings. This was a quarter the price, it's coated, it'll be good. Then we got the other filler neck hose that goes right there to the tank, and also if we have time we're going to be throwing in some white line steering rack bushings. Poly should help with my front end steer a lot. I opened the package already, so no unboxing here. Yeah, this should be fun. This is the crusty bitch that I'm trying to take out. 20-year-old grime. It's pretty loose. Should pop right out soon. And I wish I never said that. This is the new, the old one out. It's kind of a bitch, but not too bad. New one going in. Should be nice and clean. And if you can tell, focus. That's where my hole was. At least I'm hoping. Alright, let's reverse this. So we got the new one finally in. Pain in the ass, not too bad, but definitely don't want to have to do this ever again. It's all in there solid. New clamps, new hoses. Hopefully that works. So now that we got the filler neck done, we're going to go on to the steering rack bushings from Whiteline. Last time I tried this, I was on the floor. 3 bolts started coming out, but 1 was fighting me. So hopefully, being in the air on a lift and maybe some PB blaster, we should be good. got the steering rack bushings out. These are the new white line rack bushings, polyurethane. These are the old crusty 20-year-old ones. Are you in focus? Come on. There you go. Yeah, these were not so fun to get out, and even less fun to get back in, but worth it. So we just got to the gas station, seeing if the fuel leak is fixed. Let's... Fingers crossed. I don't want to have to do this again. Where am I looking? Moment of truth. Haha. No fuel leaks coming. Don't mind the rusty axles. Whew. Sorry for the iPhone footage. It's all I had. I don't feel like taking the camera out. Whatever. But the fuel leak is good. Rack bushings are done. Didn't get everything I wanted to get done on the car today, but I have keys to the shop. I can do this anymore, and it's more time that I can film for you guys. Just getting used to this, you know. If you like it, let me know. I'll see you guys next time. You know, do the things, you know, the things you do down there. Like, subscribe. You know, let's go. This will get more refined as I do it more and more, so yeah. I'm going to go eat and go to bed and shower because I have rust in my hair. So, peace.